Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. BNB is the Binance crypto coin that powers the BNB chain ecosystem. It is one of the largest utility tokens globally. The ICO was held in July 2017, shortly after the exchange launched. Binance raised $15 million by offering the coin at 10 cents each. The initial maximum supply of BNB coins was 200 million. The BNB coin can be traded on most crypto exchanges. The burn program will reduce the total supply of BNB coins to 100 million over time. The number of coins burned is calculated using a formula that is based on the total number of blocks produced on the Binance Smart Chain and BNB's average dollar-denominated price during the quarterly period. BNB coins can be used to save on Binance trading fees and settle transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain. Users can also participate in exclusive token sales and pay for other goods and services. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.